At number 1, we have the FoodSaver V4400. The FoodSaver V4400 excels in performance, efficiently vacuum sealing a variety of food types, from delicate berries to hefty cuts of meat, preserving freshness and flavor. Its automatic bag detection and vacuum sealing process streamline operation, making it user-friendly. The device features both dry and moist food modes, enhancing its versatility. Additionally, the built-in handheld sealer eliminates the need for additional attachments when sealing zipper bags and containers, further simplifying use. Durability is a strong suit of the V4400, with many users reporting years of reliable service. However, like any appliance, longevity can vary based on frequency of use and maintenance. The unit comes with a 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind and protection against potential defects. Ease of use is another highlight. The intuitive control panel and automatic features, such as bag detection, make it accessible even to those new to vacuum sealing. Its sleek, modern design not only looks good on the countertop, but is also designed with practicality in mind, featuring a vertical storage option to save space. On the downside, some users find the initial cost a bit high, though the long-term savings on food costs can offset this. Additionally, the device's size may be cumbersome for those with limited kitchen space. Despite these minor drawbacks, the FoodSaver V4400 stands out for its robust performance, thoughtful features, and reliability.